Welcome to our video on 8 best ways to get healthy skin and hair naturally. When it comes to achieving radiant skin and luscious hair, nature offers some of the most effective solutions. While the market is flooded with products promising instant results, research shows that natural approaches often provide long-lasting benefits by improving your health from the inside out. In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful ways to enhance your skin and hair naturally, starting with something so effective and easy that you can begin doing it right now. Number 8, stay hydrated. A groundbreaking 2015 study published in Clinical, Cosmetic, and Investigational Dermatology found that increasing water intake significantly improved skin hydration and biomechanical properties. The research showed that participants who consumed an additional 2 liters of water daily experienced measurable improvements in skin hydration levels and elasticity. Proper hydration works in several ways. It helps maintain skin elasticity and plumpness. It supports natural detoxification processes. It aids in nutrient delivery to skin cells, and it promotes healthy hair follicle function. The study also found that individuals with lower initial water intake showed the most dramatic improvements, suggesting that proper hydration might be especially beneficial for those who typically don't drink enough water. Beyond plain water, there are several effective ways to maintain proper hydration through diet and lifestyle choices. Water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, lettuce, and strawberries can contribute significantly to daily fluid intake. Milk can be particularly effective for post-exercise rehydration due to its natural electrolytes and nutrients. For those who find plain water boring, adding fresh fruit slices for flavor or opting for clear broths and herbal teas can help maintain adequate fluid intake. While caffeinated beverages can contribute some hydration, they should be limited as they can increase urination frequency. And alcoholic beverages should be avoided as they can promote dehydration. Now that we've quenched our thirst for knowledge, let's dig into something even juicier. Number 7, eat antioxidant-rich foods. A 15-year study conducted on 777 subjects found that adults aged over 45 years who consumed foods with high antioxidant capacity showed approximately 10% less photoaging compared to those who ate foods with low antioxidant capacity. Spices and herbs lead the pack as the most concentrated sources of antioxidants, with mint, cinnamon, and cloves topping the list. Among everyday foods, berries and fruits rank particularly high in antioxidants, with blueberries containing 9.2 millimole per 3.5 ounces and pomegranates offering 9.0 millimole for the same amount. Nuts also pack a powerful antioxidant punch. Some of the best choices are walnuts and pecans. Vegetables like artichokes, cauliflower, and kale are excellent sources of antioxidants as well. Interestingly, coffee is rich in antioxidants too. While dark chocolate provides up to 15 millimoles of antioxidants per 3.5-ounce serving. The antioxidant content of foods can be affected by preparation methods. For example, cooking tomatoes actually increases the availability of their antioxidant lycopene, while some foods retain more protective antioxidant properties when consumed raw. Number 6, natural oils. Plant oils have been used for thousands of years in food, beauty products, and medicine. Today, scientists are discovering just how beneficial these natural oils can be for skin health. A 2017 study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences looked at the anti-inflammatory and skin barrier repairing effects of the topical application of some plant oils. The study examined 19 different plant oils, including olive, coconut, argan, and jojoba oils. It looked at their therapeutic benefits when applied topically. It found that the effectiveness varies based on their composition of fatty acids, phenolic compounds, and other bioactive ingredients. As per the study, some of the best oils to help with skin barrier repair are coconut oil and sunflower oil. Next on our list is something that has such a huge impact not only on your external appearance, but on your overall health as well, but is unfortunately often taken for granted. Number 5, quality sleep. How many hours a day do you sleep? Do you wake up feeling rested, or do you just wake up tired? If you value your skin and hair health, you may want to pay attention to this. A 2013 clinical trial from the University Hospital's Case Medical Center and published in Science Daily found that sleep deprivation has a direct link to aging skin. The trial found that poor quality sleepers showed significantly more signs of skin aging, demonstrating increased fine lines, uneven pigmentation, and reduced skin elasticity. The research also found that good quality sleepers recovered 30% better from skin barrier stressors and showed more efficient recovery from UV exposure, while poor sleepers experienced more prolonged skin inflammation and redness after sun exposure. So you want great skin and hair? Get some shut-eye. Number 4, regular exercise. Regular exercise significantly impacts skin and hair health through multiple mechanisms. One of the most significant impacts comes from increased blood circulation. Research shows that exercise can boost skin blood flow up to 8 times the normal rate. This enhanced circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to skin cells and hair follicles, promoting better health and function of both. Beyond circulation, exercise triggers important structural improvements in the skin. Studies have demonstrated that regular physical activity promotes mitochondrial biosynthesis in skin fibroblasts, increases dermal collagen content, and improves skin elasticity. These changes help maintain the skin's youthful appearance and can help mitigate age-related skin changes. For hair health, exercise provides additional benefits through stress reduction. Physical activity helps lower cortisol levels while releasing endorphins, which act as natural stress relievers. Since stress is a known contributor to hair loss, this stress-reducing effect can help maintain healthy hair growth patterns. While we are on the subject of stress, our next natural way to get healthy skin and better hair is number 3, stress management. A 2023 article published in Curious looked at the association of psychological stress with skin symptoms. It found that chronic stress increases inflammation, potentially worsening skin conditions. High cortisol levels can trigger excess oil production and acne. Stress hormones can disrupt hair growth cycles and more than just skin and hair. It also found that psychological stress may accelerate the overall aging processes. Stress-relieving practices like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help manage stress levels and improve overall skin and hair health. We're down to the last 2 items on our list. If you are finding this helpful, do us a huge favor and like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and please share this video with friends and family you think might benefit from it. Now, moving on to our countdown at number 2. Avoid nutrient deficiencies. Certain nutrients can help keep your skin and hair healthy. Be sure that you are not deficient in any of the following: vitamin C for collagen production, vitamin D for skin cell growth and repair, biotin for hair strength, zinc for tissue repair and oil gland function, and iron for oxygen delivery to hair follicles. Research shows that vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen biosynthesis and maintenance, serving as a cofactor for enzymes that stabilize collagen fibers and directly activating transcription factors involved in collagen synthesis. Vitamin D plays a protective role in skin health and wound healing. It also appears to be crucial for proper skin repair and regeneration, particularly in wound reepithelialization. As for biotin, a study examined its effectiveness in improving telogen effluvium, a type of hair loss, while another clinical trial investigated its role in hair matrix improvement. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Molecular Sciences found that zinc deficiency is linked to various skin problems, including acne and delayed wound healing. In addition, topical and oral zinc treatments showed significant improvement in acne vulgaris. As for iron, research published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine revealed that iron deficiency can significantly impact hair growth by reducing oxygen delivery to hair follicles. It also showed that iron supplementation improved hair growth in patients with iron deficiency anemia. In addition to that, findings also show that these nutrients work synergistically. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption, while zinc and iron work together to promote tissue repair. Now, for our top item, any guesses what it could be? Number 1, improve your gut health. A recent meta-analysis, published in 2024 in Helion, looked at the effects of probiotics and hair growth. It demonstrated significant connections between probiotics and hair health. The Korean researchers found that probiotic supplementation improved hair thickness and follicle count, with a probiotic cocktail supplement improving hair density in 96.2% of participants. In addition, a 2023 research published in PubMed has established a clear gut-skin axis, showing that intestinal microbiota homeostasis directly influences skin health. The study showed that probiotics can improve skin conditions through multiple mechanisms, including decreasing oxidative stress, suppressing inflammatory responses, and enhancing immune function. Improving gut health starts with what you eat. A diet rich in fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. This includes incorporating plenty of whole grains, leafy greens like spinach and kale, berries, citrus fruits, beans, and legumes into your daily meals. Probiotic-rich foods are equally important. Natural sources include plain yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, kombucha, and tempeh. These fermented foods help populate your gut with beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion and support overall health. And that's it for our comprehensive guide to achieving naturally healthy skin and hair. We hope these 8 evidence-based methods have given you practical insights into enhancing your natural beauty from the inside out. Remember, true beauty starts with good health, and these natural approaches work best when combined consistently as part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching. Your commitment to natural health and beauty inspires us to continue sharing science-backed wellness information. Don't forget to check out our other videos on nutrition, wellness, and natural beauty tips. For more detailed guides and recommended natural beauty products, visit our resource section. Wishing you radiant skin, lustrous hair, and vibrant health.